Oh, has it been a mess? Has it been a fucking war zone? You see, before I had the main issue, before within the last few weeks, my main issue was just finding a winning product, finding a winning creative, a winning store, and scaling. And you would probably think, well, for dropshipping or for e-commerce, what other problems can you possibly have? Those are the main issues, right? But when everything's going good and it flies over your head, but you realize that in order for you to test all of those, you need a working ad account that doesn't disable you every single fucking time you try. And trust me, I don't know if you follow me, if you follow me in the Discord or if you follow me just on YouTube, but I'm pretty active in the ecom community. So damn right I know that it's a fucking huge issue now. Everyone is dealing with bans. Everyone is dealing with disabled accounts, disabled business managers profiles, even for TikToks, just ban TikTok accounts. It's a fucking mess. It's a war zone. It's just trying to scavenge. I don't even know. It's just, it's insane. I don't think I've had a product up and running close to a week now. And that's not to say because I'm not working. I'm fucking here every day trying some shit out, trying to get my ads up and running. I bought business managers. I literally just bought a business manager yesterday. A verified business manager that costed me like 80 US. A verified business manager. Posted the ads and it got disabled instantly. It wasn't even processing. It wasn't even analyzing, or it didn't run for a bit and then got back. It literally disabled instantly. And I literally bought the business manager to avoid these bans. Look, I have no idea. I got no idea. Right now, I spoke to a Facebook rep today, a live person, and they're going to come back to me within 24 to 48 hours. As of now, it's just kind of like a wait game. Obviously, I'm someone that can't just sit down and fucking do fuck all. This is basically my only thing. So I'm going to find some time to just optimize the website, get better product images. So when the product ends up launching somehow, it's the best to its abilities, making extra creatives as well. But for now, it's just crazy. I'm gonna be honest. My options are running out. I still have a few options. So one option is gonna be to use my mom's account the next time. I'll be using my mom's account. Try to just start a brand new, maybe because it's the profile's the issue, so maybe just start off brand new with a new profile. If not, then I'm gonna have to buy some system where I get a verified profile and a verified business manager together, warm them up. With just that alone, that probably will cost me $300 and half a week to set up. And it's just frustrating because obviously, as you know, it's Q4 coming up, and obviously it's probably for the best to find, probably everything happens for a reason, right? God's letting this happen to me because Q4 is coming up and it's going to be necessary to have some things, your accounts verified and stable. So it's all happening for a reason. It's just frustrating because you can't test products. And again, that's something that you kind of just need to run through and and learn, right? So it's been frustrating, but we get through it. Again, we don't quit. We never quit. It's just some obstacles that you're gonna have to go through and jump over, get through it. The things that you want are on the other side of these problems. Just gotta keep going at it. Trust me. I've had issues with TikTok that they instantly banned me. And moving to Meta, I thought like, okay, finally, like I never had issues with Meta. Meta was always good to me. And now Meta is probably being worse or the same thing. And you really just think like, how can I continue? These are the only two platforms that you make bank off of. And if none of them are fucking working with me, how can I post ads? I gotta do organic? No, but honestly, all jokes aside, we're gonna get through it. I'm gonna find a solution and obviously share it with you guys because I know everyone's going through the same shit. And at the end of the day, it's just another obstacle, another thing that you gotta get through. And we keep pushing, keep being optimistic, and just doing your best. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Because as they say, if you do your best every single day, you can't fail. So just do your best, and eventually it'll come full circle, come around. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the top.